What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be playing some monkey bomb tag. So it's just basically tag your monkey and like the bomb. If you play like the entire tag game, oh, I finally got some. Okay. So please, guys, subscribe and press that like button too. I'm trying to hit 10 subs, so please. This game's pretty fun. And it's also kind of crazy because you like jump down from below and you can like tag someone really fast. So yeah, that's pretty much the game. So I'm just gonna play for a little, show you guys how it goes. Oh, I had the bomb. Jump down. Bomb seller. Oh, I tagged him. Ooh, real close. Oh, I have the bomb again. Okay, come on, guys. Try to find some. Right here. Oh, I lost it. No! That's wraps. I wasn't locked in on that. So it's basically the whole game. That's pretty much it. Basically the whole game. I'm gonna be playing for like 10 minutes. Then I'll be posting another video for y'all. So that's fun. Make sure to grab your drinks and snacks and watch and read time. And please, guys, try having some. Please subscribe to the channel. I'm almost at 10 subs. So yeah. And also, like on the last video, it was pretty good. It's almost at 100 views. I'm proud of that. So let's try doing it. Let's see who has the bomb. Oh, shoot. So yeah, this is the golden ball. So first you have to get the golden ball to be like, you know, the special one. Oh, almost there. But I didn't even get it once. So guys, like I started this channel like 2 days ago. My first video was yesterday, and it went out pretty good. It's not a lot, but I'm trying to make a little bit of money on this thing. So please watch this video. Oh, it's behind the bomb. Please subscribe and press the like button. Trying to get 10 subs, as I said before. Dude, I keep on selling. Guys, bro, I'm so sorry. I keep on selling. Okay, if I lost first. It's just like, I'll just like play and talk. So yeah, I'm trying to get to 10 subs. Please subscribe, like, and yeah, well, this guy's doing a dance. Let's go. Oh, I don't join them. Let's see if they're still doing it. Oh, look. Yo, chillax. Oh, he has the ball. No, I thought they were scared of me. I don't think they can even see me. So I wouldn't want to be famous from this. So please, y'all, please help. Yo, this game's still going on. Yeah, bro, I have to end this video soon, like in 2 minutes. Imagine we're still in this game. Bro, it's taking them so long, bro. Seriously, bro, what's taking them so long? They gotta chop. It take too long. Bro, he's just like there. I feel bad for the guy who has the ball. He's not really like trying. Ooh, that's fast. I'm just gonna follow the guy at the bump. That's my job. Oh, look at that guy. He lost you. Okay, guys, I'm about to end it like this. So, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and like. Okay, guys, we have to do our ending numbers, which is 6, 7. Let's go. I just said it. Let's do it again. 3, 2, 1. 6, 7.